Anastasia here at Brenda's boot camp, and Anastasia joined me in
End of November.
And why did you join Brenda's boot camp?
Because you told me I was fat. No, I'm kidding. Because you said that you were starting this new program and I needed to do something. Because I have been on diet after diet and kept saying I would do all this stuff, but I wanted to just do more than diet. I wanted to learn how to eat and eat right and take care of myself better.
And since you've been here, how has it been?
Oh my
What's
gosh,
it like?
It's amazing. I feel so much better. I'm starting to look so much better. I'm more aware of what I eat. I haven't given anything up, and it's just how much you eat and when you eat it and how you eat it, which is great because so many people do the pills and the liquid diets and they don't work. But everybody here, you can look on the website, has lost weight. They feel better. They're taking care of themselves better, and new people are coming in because that's what they want to do.
And what would you say to somebody who wants to join but they're hesitant to join Brenda's boot
I was
camp?
hesitant too, and if you knew me, anybody can do this. You have to work at it, and sometimes it is hard, but the results are amazing, and it's a lifetime change. It's not something that's just overnight.
And how long did it take you to see results?
Not that long. I mean, obviously the longer you go and the more you lose, but within 2 weeks you were feeling better. Of course, after the first night you're dying, but you slowly get better. But it's almost an immediate result in how you feel.
Cool. And just to let you know, Anastasia's the bomb. She rocks.
Yes. That would be me. Did you get the side view? Wait, no, that wasn't good on the website. Get the front. No, that's not very good either. Okay, is
And
it
this
off?
is what Anastasia's
No!
like all the time. And that's why we love her
we need to turn that
so much.